think we're going to adjust this camera. Let's give this a try. See if I can get this camera up a bit higher than it is without causing too much trouble. Yeah, I think that's going to be a problem right there. How to accomplish what we want to accomplish. Testing 1, 2, 3. Can everybody hear me? Testing 1, 2, 3. I want to make sure to get the volume correct, so that when it comes time that I'm doing the real thing, that people can hear me. But of course, this is in no way going to be as professional as most YouTubers, because I'm just not really doing this very seriously, apparently. So testing 1, 2, 3. Now hopefully that sounds okay. Well, let's move this around some. I think we need to readjust. So I want to get this stuff in a better position. It's frustrating not being able to move the camera where I want, and having to get the camera past the mic in order to work is a pain. Sorry for the noise. But as I mentioned, this is just a test, so bear with me. I want to try to get this pointing more downwards. That's going to take some adjustment on these cheap tripods. It'll be real funny when I knock the whole thing over in the middle of trying to record anything. That'll be just hilarious, I think. Let's get this adjusted. Is that what I think it is? No, it's not. Alright. Try to get that adjusted out a bit. Now we're going to have to readjust this camera, I think, but we'll try to get a better view on things. That's turned a little bit. Let's see if that looks better. Let's see if that works any better. Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't like the tripod being in the way. So let's loosen this up a bit. Tilt it up a bit. And back it up a bit. There we go. Should be getting close, hopefully. With any luck, we'll be getting closer to where we want to be. And hopefully this thing will pick up my voice. It's a directional microphone, so it's a DSLR mic. I don't know how well it's going to do in terms of it's still crooked. So annoying. Let's see if we can do this a slightly different way. There we go. I wonder why that camera's not on. Okay, let's see if we can adjust this now. If it's more straight or less straight? That's less straight, so we need to go this way. More straight or less straight? More straight. Well, that's definitely more straight. But now we're too far off the edge. Way too far close to the edge. Move, move, move. Now let's I think we might be getting somewhere now. It's a bit straighter. That's a bit straighter and a bit closer. Can't zoom it though, and that's kind of a bummer. But let's see if we can at least there we go. And then back that up a bit. See if that's better. That's odd. It has to be. Okay. So that's better. It's not as straight as I'd like it to be, but I don't think the camera sits on here perfectly. Oh, well, that's better. Alright, we'll give that a shot. I think that's about... It's still crooked, but whatever. It is what it is. Hello. Print's really small. Don't use the chat. Yeah. Alright. Fiddle with that. Let's see. How's the image quality anyway? If anybody's watching. Let's see. Well, we got 2 people watching and I'm one of them, so. Let's see where this goes. Should get my headphones so I can hear myself. Let's see what this looks like at full screen resolution. Alright. So, at some point, before Monday, I'm hoping we'll get to open this bag and put this Amiga 2000 together with, of course, and let me find my box. With that. I don't think it looks too bad. I mean, not for an amateur, but definitely unprofessional. Let's see if we can move that over just a tad and bring that way a bit. Here, we'll do it this way. There we go. And that way it'll be right side up to you. Let's make sure we do have audio here by checking the meter. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Yeah, we should have audio. I'll move it far away. away from it now. All right. Sounds like it's getting ready to storm outside. I need to find a long cable so that I am able to plug the Amiga 2000 directly into the video capture so that when it comes time to test this stuff, I'll be able to do that. Of course, once the Saga driver is installed for the Vampire 500, you won't see much on the composite video output of the Amiga 2000. But I don't have a way to capture SCART, and SCART's the only other cable I have for output on the Amiga, so it's going to be what it's going to be. We will make do with black and white. Yeah, I think we're set. I think that's a good angle for the camera. At least I hope it is. I debated on whether or not just to go full screen with the camera and do the live stream with the camera at full screen, but I eventually decided that I needed to somehow let people know what I was doing when they actually looked at the live stream, so that they didn't just wonder what the hell. So I have to honestly say that I'm not comfortable doing a whole lot of talking to myself. So if I get quiet, just I'll check the chat and just let me know. One thing about YouTube is when you're live streaming or any other type of YouTube video, you wind up talking to yourself a whole lot. So, but I think we're just about ready to get started here in a little while. Maybe later on after I have dinner. But I would say that the likelihood is I still only have one person viewing. So anyway, to that one person, and I'd have to get your name. Hello. And thanks for listening to me babble for 15-20 minutes. So I think that's pretty sure that's going to wrap up the test here. So we'll just call it a wrap on that, and close down the stream, and consider ourselves prepared for later.